Your debit card is more than just a way to pay. It's a tool that can help you get more out of every purchase, if you know how to use it. Most of us carry our debit cards everywhere, but rarely stop to think about what they can actually do for us beyond just making payments. Think about your day so far. How many times have you tapped your card? Maybe for your morning coffee, a quick lunch, or even your daily commute on the bus or train. It's become such a routine part of life that we barely notice it anymore. Using your debit card is second nature, almost automatic. But here's the real question. Are you making your card work for you? Or are you just spending without thinking about the benefits you could be getting? The truth is, most people miss out on the hidden perks, rewards, and special offers that their debit card can provide. These benefits are often overlooked, simply because we don't know they exist or how to access them. Every single transaction you make is a chance to get something back. Whether it's cash back, discounts at your favorite stores, or points that can be redeemed for rewards. Even small purchases can add up to big savings over time. Those little savings might not seem like much at first, but over the course of a year, they can really add up. Imagine having enough extra cash for a special treat, to cover an unexpected bill, or just to give yourself a little more financial breathing room. In fact, studies show that people who actively use their debit card perks can save hundreds of dollars annually, money that would otherwise be left on the table. But here's the catch. Banks and card issuers don't always advertise these perks front and center. Sometimes you have to dig a little deeper, exploring your banking app, reading the fine print, or checking your bank's website for special offers and hidden benefits. The good news is, once you know where to look and what to ask for, you can start unlocking your debit card's full potential. You'll feel more confident and empowered every time you use your card, knowing you're making the most of your money. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know: how to find hidden cashback offers, access exclusive discounts, and turn your everyday spending into real savings that make a difference. It's time to stop being a passive spender and start being a savvy saver. With just a few simple changes, you can transform the way you use your debit card and take control of your financial future. By the end of this chapter, you'll see your debit card in a whole new light. You'll realize it's not just a piece of plastic, but a powerful partner in your journey towards smarter spending and saving. Your debit card can be your ally in financial fitness, helping you build better habits and reach your goals, whether that's saving for something special or just making your money go further every month. So let's dive in together and start putting money back in your pocket. Are you ready to unlock the hidden value of your debit card? Let's get started. Let's get back to basics. Sometimes the simplest financial tools are the most powerful. So, what is a debit card, really? It's more than just a piece of plastic in your wallet. A debit card is your direct link to your bank account, giving you access to your money whenever you need it, whether you're shopping in store, online, or even withdrawing cash from an ATM. When you use a debit card to pay for something, the money comes straight out of your current account, instantly. There's no waiting, no bills to pay later, and no risk of racking up debt. It's a payment card that acts like a digital extension of your wallet, making everyday purchases quick and easy. Think of it as a remote control for your bank balance. With every tap, swipe, or online purchase, you're in the driver's seat, deciding exactly how much to spend and when. Tap your card or enter your PIN, and the money moves instantly. No borrowing, no interest, and no surprises. You're always spending your own money, not someone else's. That's the key difference from a credit card, which is basically a mini loan you pay back later, often with interest. With a debit card, you can't spend more than you have, so you avoid the risk of debt piling up. Debit cards keep you spending only what you have, making them great for budgeting. They're perfect for anyone who wants to keep a close eye on their finances and avoid overspending. Every purchase is a real-time reflection of your finances. As soon as you buy something, you can see the transaction in your banking app, helping you track your spending as it happens. You can check your banking app and see exactly where your money's gone. No more guessing or waiting for a monthly statement. This instant feedback helps you make smarter choices with your money. No, I'll worry about it next month, just instant feedback. You're always up to date, so you can adjust your spending on the fly and avoid nasty surprises. This transparency helps you stay in control and avoid debt. By only spending what you have, you're building healthy financial habits and protecting yourself from the stress of owing money. It's a simple, powerful tool for managing your day-to-day money. Whether you're paying for groceries, splitting a bill with friends, or shopping online, A debit card makes it easy to keep your finances organized and your spending in check. That's why debit cards are so popular and so useful. They offer convenience, control, and peace of mind, making them an essential part of modern money management. You've seen the Visa or MasterCard logo on your card. These networks make your payments secure and widely accepted, but new types are emerging, like PayPal debit cards, which let you spend your online earnings directly, and crypto debit cards, which convert your digital coins into pounds or dollars at checkout. Each card type has unique benefits: standard cards for everyday spending, PayPal for online sellers, crypto cards for digital currency fans. Knowing what you have and what's out there helps you pick the right tool for your needs. The right card can simplify your finances and unlock new perks. Make sure you're using the one that fits your lifestyle. That's the first step to making your card work for you. When you think about your debit card, you might just see it as a simple tool for everyday purchases. But in reality, it's one of the most powerful financial tools you have in your wallet. The biggest advantage? You can't spend money you don't have. Unlike credit cards, which can tempt you to overspend and rack up debt, a debit card keeps you grounded in your actual balance. That's built-in discipline, no risk of spiraling debt or interest charges. You're always spending your own money, so you avoid the stress of monthly bills piling up or worrying about minimum payments. Every purchase is tracked instantly in your banking app, so you always know where your money's going. This real-time tracking means you can spot unusual activity, keep tabs on your spending habits, and make smarter choices every day. This transparency helps you budget, spot overspending, and adjust quickly. If you're saving for a goal or trying to cut back, your debit card's digital trail makes it easy to see where you can trim expenses. Security is strong. PINs, CVV codes, and chip technology all work together to keep your money safe. Many cards now offer two-factor authentication for online purchases, adding another layer of protection. And if your card is ever lost or stolen, you can freeze it instantly through your banking app, stopping fraud in its tracks. Quick action can make all the difference. Banks usually refund fraud losses if you act quickly, so you're not left out of pocket. Customer support is just a call or tap away, giving you peace of mind. But here's what most people miss. Debit cards aren't just about spending safely, they can actually reward you for your everyday habits. Debit cards can come with perks like cashback on utility bills, exclusive discounts at partner retailers, and even special offers on dining or travel. Some banks offer reward points for every transaction, which you can redeem for vouchers, merchandise, or even more cash back. It's like getting paid to spend on things you need anyway. These extras are essentially free money for spending as you normally would. Over time, these small rewards can add up to significant savings or treats. Don't leave them on the table. Activate and use your card's rewards and offers. A few taps in your banking app can unlock a world of benefits. Your debit card is more than just safe. It's a smart way to manage your money, build good habits, and even grow your savings. Used wisely, it can help you avoid debt, track your progress, and make your money work harder for you. So next time you reach for your debit card, remember, it's not just a piece of plastic. Use it right, and it's a true financial powerhouse. Make every tap count. Ready to turn your debit card into a money-saving machine? Start with your banking app. Look for offers, rewards, or cashback sections. Activate deals before you shop. Cashback is often automatic. Next, use cashback websites like Top Cashback or Quidco before shopping online. They share commissions with you, sometimes up to 10% back. Link your debit card to loyalty programs for extra rewards or air miles. Try apps that round up your purchases and invest the spare change. Watch for special bank promotions, switching bonuses, or boosted cashback. Stack these deals for maximum savings. A little effort can mean big rewards. Make your spending work for you, not just the bank. Debit cards are great, but there are pitfalls to watch for. Fraud protection isn't as strong as with credit cards. Section 75 doesn't apply. Chargeback exists, but it's not a legal guarantee. For big purchases, use a credit card for extra protection and pay it off in full. Overdrafts are another trap. Interest rates can be sky high. Know your overdraft terms and avoid dipping in if you can. Using your card abroad, watch for foreign transaction and ATM fees. These can add up fast and ruin your holiday budget. Check your bank's overseas policy before you travel. Consider a specialist travel card for fee-free spending. A little planning keeps your money safe. Crypto debit cards are making headlines, but tread carefully. They let you spend Bitcoin or Ethereum in shops, but crypto values swing wildly. You could lose value just buying groceries if the market drops. Fees are common: top-ups, transactions, conversions, even inactivity. These can eat into your balance quickly. Plus, every spend is a taxable event in the UK. Capital gains tax applies. That means extra paperwork for every coffee you buy. Crypto cards are best for experts who understand the risks and costs. For most people, stick to traditional debit cards for everyday spending. Let's put this into action with a simple plan. Tonight, open your banking app and hunt for rewards or cashback offers. Activate them all. Sign up for a cashback website like Top Cashback or Quidco and install their browser extension. Make it a habit to check for cashback before every online purchase. Review your debit card transactions for the past month. Spot and cancel unused subscriptions. Plug those money leaks and keep your spending focused on what matters. Finally, review your current account. Are you getting the best rewards? Use comparison sites to see if switching banks could earn you more. The current account switch service makes moving easy and automatic. Don't stick with a bank out of habit, make your loyalty pay. These steps can boost your savings with minimal effort. Take control and make your debit card work harder for you. Your financial well-being deserves it. Your debit card is more than a payment tool. It's a way to take charge of your finances. Use it to budget, avoid debt, and earn rewards with every tap. Small changes like activating cashback or checking for deals add up to real savings. Be aware of the risks: overdrafts, weaker fraud protection, and new tech like crypto cards. Use the right card for the right job: credit for big purchases, debit for daily spending. Don't be passive. Make your money work for you. Start today. Check your app, sign up for cashback, review your spending, share your tips and savings stories. We all get smarter together. Take control, save more, and make every penny count. Now go make that debit card work for you.